Today I'm going to share with you IELTS Academic Task 1. Some study guides, tips we have to know for the IELTS Academic Task 1. For that one, first we have to be clear with the grammar. Grammar means 12 tenses. We have to be very clear with the 12 tenses and the active and passive voice. With that, vocabulary, we need to know much vocabulary or new words. Secondly, before practicing exam, we have to study marking criteria. How much marks we can get for what portions, that we have to know clearly, then only we can write according to that track. Next, when we are just doing the exam, they are providing with the essay and this task 1, this report writing too. For that one, we have to spend exactly 20 minutes on the task 1. If we just spend more time with on the more than the 20 minutes, we will be struggle on the essay writing, or we can finish within a 10 minutes or 15 minutes also. We have to think we are in lose that. And we have to practice more than 150 reports or 150 practice. And when we are just doing the practice, it should be more than 150 words. It's around 165 or 170, it's okay. And in the writing marking scheme, for the task 1, they are just giving 33% of total writing marks. We are just getting for this report writing or a task 1, it's 33% only we are just getting for this exam. And also in the marking criteria or a marking scheme, task achievement. Task achievement means according to the heading and our answer. For that one, 25% they are just giving. Next one, cohesions mean how we are just joining together. For that also 25% we are just receiving. And vocabulary, we need to use new words for every day. We can't be use same words. If we use that, we are just losing the marks. For that one also, for the vocabulary, 25% we are getting. And the fourth one, grammar. They are just checking the grammar too. Grammar, how we are just using the grammar, and also where we have to use the capital letter, where we have to use the full stop, where we have to use the comma. For all the grammar, they are just checking and giving 25% to that also. And read the instructions carefully. When we are just doing the exam, we have to read the question more than 3 times. That is very important. We have to just take the questions clearly, study the questions clearly inside our head. And this task 1 has some parts. That means we are just some kinds of examining having in the task 1. And also this task, academic task 1, consists of 6. One process diagram, second one maps, third one bar charts, then pie charts, tables, line graph. And also we have to clearly think essay writing is different. This is report writing. We have to think it is report writing. According to the report writing, that is different style. Essay writing, that is different style. We can't be joined together. And the next one, for the no clear view overview, that means if we are not clearing that, they are just giving 4-5 points for each one. If we give highlight key features or a clear highlight features, we can get more than 6, 7, 8. And also if we given too much detail, or we are just sharing more than that, just out of the heading, we can lose the marks and can able to gain 4 or 5. It's a possible things if we knows, or if we good in grammar even. And we have to give in the report writing the exact answer, exact points, that only they are just providing the marks. And also we have to plan when we are writing. Before that writing, we have to plan what are we are just put. Have 4 body paragraph, and also we have to have 4 body paragraph. First, second, third, fourth, 4 paragraph we have to consist. And we use of linking devices, we have to use that very stylish and that very high quality linking devices we have to join. I will be in the future video, I will be just sharing that too. And avoiding mistakes with linking words. Somewhere when just linking words, we have to give the comma and some that apostrophes, then we have to give exactly. And also we need to be spelling. Sometimes the people are just losing the marks for the spelling mistakes too. And use referencing, must use reference everywhere. For example, this, that, etc. we have to use for the report writing. And also more than 150 report writing you have to practice. This much we have to know for the tips. As a tips, later on we will be just studying what are the syllabus, or what are the that exams we will be having in the task 1. In the future video we will be just studying over here. Okay, thank you.